Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at that pesky C8 error code on your Instant Pot, especially the 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error often pops up due to issues with the pressure sensor or a faulty seal, and it's more common than you think. Don't worry. I'll guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that could get your pot up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is the C8 error? It typically means there's a problem with the pressure mechanism, like the lid not sealing properly or a blockage in the vents. This can happen from everyday use, so it's nothing to panic about. Step 1. Start by checking the sealing ring. Unplug your Instant Pot and carefully remove the lid. Inspect the silicone ring for any food particles, cracks, or if it's not seated correctly. Clean it with warm, soapy water and make sure it's dry before putting it back. This is a quick fix that solves the issue about 50% of the time. Step 2. Next, ensure the lid is locking properly. Give it a firm twist to the sealing position and check for any misalignment. Sometimes, a simple adjustment does the trick. Step 3. If that doesn't work, try resetting your Instant Pot. Unplug it from the wall, wait for about 10 minutes, and then plug it back in. This can clear temporary glitches and reset the internal sensors. Step 4. Don't forget to clean the steam release valve and the float valve. Use a small brush or a toothpick to remove any buildup. These areas can get clogged with residue, causing pressure issues. If you've tried all these steps and the error persists, it might be time to contact Instant Pot customer support or consider a professional repair. Always prioritize safety. Never force the lid or operate the device if it feels off. There you have it, folks. With these tips, you should be back to cooking delicious meals in no time. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more kitchen hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.